All right, Shalom. This the brother Rayab and the brother Bakar from the GMS Cleveland branch, and we just like to get into a little quick lesson through the spirit about how Israel fell from being Yasharala, princes of the power, sons of the Most High God. But before we do that, I like to give all praise, honor, and glory to Yahweh, Bahashem, Yahweh Shah, Bahashem, Rakal Kwadash, Barakatah. That's all praises to the Most High through His Son and the Holy Spirit. And I like to give double honors to the elders and apostles of Great Millstone, the real true leaders of Israel on earth today, if you can receive it. And salutations to all the brothers across the four corners of the earth, pushing this truth and enduring. I just like to give a quick account of how Israel fell from being mighty man and man that people fear into becoming niggas and spicks. So let me get that out.
This Joshua chapter 1, verse 1.
No, two.
Oh, Salakia. This Joshua chapter 2, verse 1. And Joshua, the son of Nun, sent out of Shittim 2 men to spy secretly, saying, Go, view the land, even Jericho. And they went and came into a harlot's house named Rahab and lodged there.
Okay, so right there, Joshua sent out two men to spy, to go peep the land. And then they end up going to a harlot's house. Read.
It said, and it was told to the king of Jericho, saying, Behold, there came men hither tonight of the children of Israel to search out of the country.
So somebody went and told the king, you feel me, like, man, them Israelites on the set and they trying to peep the country. Read.
It said, and the king of Jericho sent unto Rahab, saying, Bring forth the men that are come to thee, which are entered into thy house, for they be come to search out all the country.
So the king of Jericho told her, say, go and get them dudes that's at your house and bring them here. Now jump down to 8.
It say this verse 8, and before they were laid down, she came up upon them the roof.
Upon the roof, right. So this is after she done hid him away because she didn't go and get him. You feel me? Like, she was smart. She knew these them Israelites, and I don't want to have nothing to do with that. So read.
It say, and she said to the man, I know that Yahweh have given you the land, and that your terror is falling upon us, and that all the inhabitants of the land faint because of you.
Yeah, so this is what she telling the two Israelites. She say, I know that the Most High have given you the land and that your terror is falling upon us because they was terrified of the Israelites. And it say, and that the inhabitants of the land faint because of you, because we was powerful man, you know? We was a strong nation of people. Read.
It said, for we have heard how the Lord dry up the water of the Red Sea for you
Talking
when you
talking about when we left Egypt, how it swallowed up the Pharaoh's army. Read.
It said, when you came out of Egypt and what you did unto the two kings of the Amorites that were on the other side of Jordan, Sihon and Og, when ye utterly destroyed.
You know, we used to put shit to death, man. Kings, whoever, man. Mighty man, armies. It ain't matter, man. We was brought up warriors, man. And now look at us. But just keep reading.
Con. It say, as soon as we had heard these things, our hearts melt. Neither did there there remain any more courage in any man because of you.
So just
For
think about that. She say, and as soon as we have heard these things, our hearts did melt. Neither did any there remain any more courage in any man because of you. You know, they used to be terrified of us. It wasn't no courage and no man because of you. Read.
it said, for Yahweh your God, He is Yahweh in heaven above and in the earth beneath.
So think about what she's saying. So that's letting you know that Yahweh Bashem, Yahweh Shah is not everybody God because she said, for the Lord your God. She didn't say for the Lord our God, for the Lord the God. She said the Lord your God, letting you know it's the God of Israel. For he is the God in heaven above and in the earth beneath. Think about how powerful that is, how powerful we are. That we got the God, the real true power. Read.
It said, now therefore I pray you, swear unto me by Yahweh, since I have showed you kindness, that ye will also show kindness unto my father's house, and give me a true token.
So she's saying, since I looked out for y'all, man, swear me that y'all will look out for me. But let's see what she asking to do, cause she know Israel coming to put shit to death. Read.
And that ye will save Allah my father and my mother and my brethren and my sisters and all that have and deliver our lives from death.
So she saying, since I looked out for you, man, make sure y'all don't come kill my family and my household, cause we was warriors, and the Most High used to command us to kill the whole nations, spoil their goods and their women. You know?
And the man answered her, our
No,
life for yours.
that's
And
good.
he,
That's good. Now, give me that in Deuteronomy.
this Deuteronomy chapter 28, verse 37. And thou shalt become an astonishment, a proverb, and a byword among all the nations whither Yahweh shall lead thee.
No. Did he make good his word or did he not? Because look at us today. Ain't nobody scared of us. We a byword and a reproach. Let the other heathen nations see us pants hanging off our ass, killing each other, eating abominable foods, being homosexuals. They be like, look at these niggas. Look at these spicks. You know, but let me get Jeremiah 17:4, and I'm gonna close on Baruch 2 and around the 30th verse.
Jeremiah chapter 17, verse 4. And thou, even thyself, shalt discontinue from thy heritage that I gave thee, and I will cause thee to serve thine enemies in the land which thou knowest not, for ye have kindled a fire in my anger, which shall burn forever.
And that's exactly what happened. We discontinue from our heritage. Ain't no words in Israel. You feel me? Ain't no mighty man in Israel. But that's being raised up through the power and spirit of the Most High and the Son. But we would discontinue from our heritage. That was a prophecy that was fulfilled. Now this is another prophecy that got to be fulfilled. Yeah, okay. Yeah, give me Baruch.
Oh, Baruch, this Baruch what?
Give me 2:29.
This Baruch, chapter 2, verse 29. If ye will not hear my voice, surely this very great multitude shall be turned into a small number among the nations where I will scatter them.
And that's exactly what happened. But read.
For I knew that they would not hear me because it is a stiff-necked people.
Our people stiff necked. That's how you know it's talking about our people, because they stiff necked, hard headed. Read.
But in the land of their captivities they shall remember themselves.
And that's exactly what you see happening. People is brothers is waking up all across the four corners of the earth by the word. It say, "My sheep hear my voice and will follow me," and we was scattered abroad, man. But with that, I hope Israel was edified. All right, you got to bring it out because I can't.
All right, Tom, it's real quick. This Hosea chapter 3, verse 4. For the children of Israel shall abide many days without a king, and without a priest, and without a sacrifice, and without an ephod, and without an image, and without a teraphim. So many days we ain't know we was Israelites. We ain't know we was kings and princes, you know. And afterwards saw the children of Israel return and seek the Lord their God and David their king, and shall fear the Lord and his goodness in the latter days. And that's what you see happening in the latter days. You know, we coming back to our true power, Yahweh Yahweh Shah. It was a long time. We didn't know who Yahweh Yahweh Shah was because we were in captivity. But through our captivity, we remember ourselves. And that's what you see now taking place.
All right, so with that, we hope y'all was edified. We'd like to give all praise, honor, and glory to Yahweh, Bashem Yahweh Shah, Bahashem Rakar Kwadash, Barakatah. Double honor to the elders and shalom to the brothers.
Shalom.
Bob.
Bob.